Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets, which is Google's alternative to Microsoft Excel. So your first step is going to be to log into your Google Drive. This can be found at drive.google.com, and be sure to log in using your Google credentials as opposed to your Sacred Heart credentials. Once inside your Drive, you're going to click on New in the upper left side of the page and choose Sheets from the list. You'll be brought to a page that looks just like this, and this is your Google Sheet. The first thing you want to do, just like on any other Google tool, is rename your sheet. To do this, you'll click on the words Untitled Spreadsheet in the upper left and name it. From here, I'm going to show you the menu bar. The first menu is the File menu, where you have the option to create a new sheet, to make a copy, to delete the sheet, and see revision history. The next menu is the Edit menu, which has the standard editing functions such as undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. The next you have your View menu. From here you can choose whether or not to show your grid lines and the formula bar. The next menu over is your Insert menu, and here's where you can add new rows or add new columns. You can also insert charts and images and links from here. Next you have the Format menu. And from here you can format the way your numbers look. You can change your numbers to say percents, scientific notation, currency, date, time. There's quite a few options here. You can also adjust the font size from here. Also in this menu you'll find your bold, italicize, and underline, as well as any sort of alignment of the text. You got your left, center, right, and your top, middle, bottom. The next menu over is your Data menu, and here's where you can alphabetize your data. You also have the option to filter your data. And the last thing I want to point out is this help bar over here. If you're not sure of how to do something in Google Sheets, you can use their help function, and they will provide you with a very clear tutorial on how to do what you're looking for. The next thing I want to point out is that, like every other document on your Google Drive, all changes will be saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about constantly saving your sheet. Down here you have your home bar. It provides a bunch of shortcuts to a lot of the functions that we saw in the menu. Here you can have your undo and redo. You can format your numbers. You can change your font size. Here's bold, italicized, strike through, and font color. And you can also insert borders, align your text, insert links, comments, charts, filters, and functions. So that's all you need to really get started. Just like in Microsoft Excel, you can insert your data by clicking on a cell and typing, and you can then manipulate the data just like in Excel. You can hover over all your data and click Insert Chart, and they'll recommend some charts for you to use. Just like in Google Docs, you can also collaborate on Google Sheets. To collaborate, you're going to look in the upper right hand side of the page and click the Share button. By default, it's a private sheet and only me, myself, and I can work on it. So I'm going to click on Share, and you'll get this little pop-up window. From here you can type either the name or email address of people you wish to collaborate with, and once you're done you can choose which permissions to give them. You can either allow them to edit, allow them to comment, or allow them to view. When you allow them to edit, they have all these privileges, so an editor can comment and view, a commenter can comment and view, and a viewer can only view. You can also type a quick note to these users, and when you're ready you can send it off. Alternatively, you can get something called the shareable link. So if you click on this words, Get Shareable Link in the upper right, you can just copy this link. You can post that, say, in your Blackboard course shell, and then anyone with that link can now edit the document. So as opposed to sending the link via email to all your students, you can simply, once again, just copy this link, paste it right in Blackboard, and any of your students can just click on the link and edit. So that's all there is to working with Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.